So this is the model that we're doing, and we want to do now these decorations here. I think they will take a lot of time or not. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but let's dive in. Do I have an issue here? Yes, you do have an issue, small ones. So let's begin. So the best way to do them is using the slab tool, and when I come here, let me copy. We have this line on the outer side which was 275, so I'm going to click on it and copy it, Control C. You can either copy it or you can just use the reference things to see it, but I want to copy it, Control V, so that I'm copying it on the ground floor so that I can be able to see it here. And I want to use a slab tool. Then I'm going to, let me first create a new texture. Options, elements, surfaces, and new white texture. We call it 7. Do you have 7 already? No, we don't. So I click OK. So I want a slab here, very tiny one, that will come to this 275, and it will be 45 by 275. Tap 275, I hit enter. So, and I want this slab to be white in color, and that is the new texture we just created. And I also want it to be very long. I want it to be 2200 and to begin from 2200. So slab begins from upwards going downwards. Then I want to Control Shift plus D to copy it and bring it here, and rotate, Control E. Are we still together? Yes, we are. Then I want to make a copy of it, Control Shift plus D, and I bring it here. Then Control Shift plus D, and I bring it here. Then Control E, and I rotate it here. Then Control Shift plus D, and I bring it here. And then we can see what we've done in 3D. Oh, so it is shorter, man. Fuck me, I did do a sort of thing. Why are you doing a sort of thing? Why are we doing a sort of thing? So it was 275. Oh, we changed. Really cool. So Control, you want it to be 275, so you want it to begin from 275 to 275. Yes. Tumekafunga mazi, tumekafunga kakofiti mazi, kakofiti, tumekafunga mazi, tumekafunga. So then row your best. I think we can draw something here. And we had another one. Where? So we come and we want to draw here. We go to 560 here, like this, see? And we're going to draw another line, 506. Sema aha. Here, let's use a wall tool. Sema aha. So you want the wall tool here to be, let me say inside, let me say outside, and it goes up to the line. Okay, so we click this wall and Control T, and we want to change its thickness to 75. And so this is where we will encase our downpipe, and we want this one to be to be minus 725, and we are going to have it to be color white. So again, for me, I prefer when I draw, I use this like set of colors. For me, it is a way of life. It is a way of life. When you use sort of colors, like you enjoy what you're doing, you tend to see what you're doing. So in return, you more sort of appreciate it better. So for this window I want the casing to be not to be white, but rather to be anthracite black. Like I said, in this way you appreciate what you're doing because you see how it appears, how it does that. So yeah, you can know. It also makes it easy for you in terms of visualization, because now you see like how a certain part will look like and stuff. So what I'm trying to do here is, let me just pull it this way. I want this window, this casing to begin from here, okay, that way. Then like I said, we're going to have a down pipe here. Then we can take this one also and we put it somewhere here for sort of decoration. This one, this way, that way, this way. We put it here. Man, we fucked up a little bit. Let me use a line tool first before I bring it. I want this one to be 300. Was it here? Yeah. So I want it to be in such a way, Control Shift plus D. I want it to be in such a way that when I bring it here, I do Control E. This way I can now shorten it. I just want it to be that smaller. Yeah. Now we can click on this and we click on options, elements, faces. We just want to create a new surface. For it, I like creating surfaces, man, don't get bored. 8 and Control T. So let's see which one is this outer one. That is the outer one. So we want it to be white, the white that we just created, C08. This one also we want it to be C08. Then the inside one, I want to use pitch. Nionyeshe pitch bana, pitch. Okay. Okay. So now we want to do those black and white things that you will build them using mortar. They just, what do we call them in English? Moldings. So I'm going to do this to offset it. We want it to be at 25, so this one was 75. So if you want it to be at 25 from here to here to be 25, it means we offset it by 50. Okay. Next here. Okay, Buddha. So now we use the slab tool. We click here. Fuck you, man. Let's use the slab tool. We click here. Let me use this geometry method polygonal. I click it here. Sorry. Slab polygonal. Nifinya hapa. I click here. Here. Then I'm going to options, elements, surfaces. Let me just create a new surface for it, for the anthracite. So this is C01, like class 01. Okay. Control T and C01. Okay, location iko wapi? Location yetu, badilisha location. So we want it to be, let it be 45. Okay, so 45, Control T. I'm going to set it to be 45, to begin from 45. So then we can do one more at the top. Top ni juu, top ni juu, then what you'll do in this scenario, go to the center, and you also go take at the center. You see it is 2230. So given that it's 2230, you want to divide in such a way that you will have it. I'm using the calculator on my phone. So 2230, I divide it by 2 by 3, it is 743. By 4, it is 5575. By 5, it's 446. So let's do 446. 446 is like I want to distribute this one from the center here by 446. Then I repeat again. I can pick the two of them from the center. To here it is 446 times 2. 446 times 2 is 892. So you do 892. And let's just do, I think, only 2. That from here, that was 8. We only need 1, so pick it from here. 442, 446. So that, I mean, it is equal. You want it to be equal, it looks better. So then I select all of them. There's no point of selecting all of them. Fuck me. Ngechora tu once na huku, then I fuck. I thought I was going to group them, then I copy this other end, but I've just realized that it looks different. Then now I feel like I could have drawn this and also this one, then I do it once, but I don't know what I was. So it's because oh yeah, I know why. But I want to finish this tutorial first before I can eat something. I know there's another tutorial where I was feeling very angry, but that one I was teaching a person, then I said, oh, I'm feeling angry. Then this one other guy who did not like, I don't feel like he helped me with anything. He kept on complaining that, oh, you don't have to tell us that you're feeling angry or this and this, but he's telling me all that and he's downloading my videos. So fuck you, man. If you're listening to this, anyway, so let me select this, and again we just repeat the same thing, which was 45, and we want to switch all these guys on, and we use, was it C01? Yeah, I usually feel very annoyed when somebody reaches out to me and they have downloaded this videos on from YouTube, and they it's like they want you to tell them thank you or something, man. Like, you're not helping me in any way. But thanks to those, there's some people, of course, they sent me some airtime, man. Thank you guys a lot for those who do. Yeah, but for those people who just download these things, then they reach out to you, they're like, you they want to tell you bullshit. Oh, I think you should do this, or I think you should do what. Man, fuck you. So I'm copying these things. Like, we just have to follow the same that we used here. So I can just bring it here, then it gives me the line, and I bring it back to where the line is. Yeah, so now we can do, is it 2? But of course, if you want to help me and you want to make sure that I keep on doing this, then of course you can try to watch these videos on YouTube. Yeah, you can comment, you can like, man, that will be helpful than for you to download and you flash me, you want me to call you, then you tell me bullshit again. Man, I get annoyed a lot. So here we have to draw this line, okay, and we click on it, we click on this line, and we are going to offset it to 25. Sorry, you set it to 25, and we now draw a slab. And we click on it, Ctrl T, and 45, and this one, then we lock it. Then now we can do it once with the one from the other side. So let's do Ctrl Shift plus D and move it here. Then we go to here, and we can now Ctrl Shift plus D. You can now, so even for this one, let me do it. Fuck, what's wrong with me, man? I'm tired now. So drag a copy, drag multiple copies. Where is it? Draw me a line, man. Draw me a line. So even for this one, we did not need a line. We did not. Then you escape. Fuck, we finally done. Finally. So I click on this. There is a mistake I made on them, and we want them to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then what you want is the ground floor slab. This one is want to create a node here, so you click here and you choose the option to create a node. I want a node here, then I can click here the center and move it outwards. It's supposed to be there. Then I repeat the same thing. I create a node, okay, and yeah, sorry. So you make sure you click on the line for the slab. I come here, you click on this line, a node, then here, so at this point on this side there's no point of doing this decoration, but if you feel like you want yours to be different, you can do it here, but I did not want to do a lot of it. Sometimes you don't want to do a lot of it. Let me switch these ones off. I want this to be just the same text as it is. Then for now we are supposed to do some decoration here, but I'm not going to do it in this video, and for now I'm ending it here. So when we come back, we are going directly to documentation. Of course, as it is of now, you can be able to send your drawing to Twinmotion and do visualization on it. Okay, or if you're using Atlantis, you can send it to Atlantis. If you're using, what software are you using, man? Tell me. If you're using Lumion, you can send it to Lumion. If you're using D5 render, you can send it there. If you're using some people will be using 3D like send it to your rendering software, and yeah, you can see the results. And for now, for me, in the next one, I'm going to take it to, I want to do documentation. I've not done documentation tutorials for a while, so we shall do documentation tutorial for it. What we are remaining with is actually, let me see, compare with this one. Oh, we had rails here and rails and the stair. Fuck, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. This stair, did I do it using the slab tool? I think I did, using the slab tool. So let's do it next time, man. Not today.